So normally, here's how we do things, no? We will start with the mind, a thought process. Nag-isip tayo ng negative, we will feel bad, and we will make bad decisions. Which will lead to evidences na, teka, nagde-delay pala ako, tamad ako, hindi ako tumutupad sa usapan. Tatatak yan sa utak mo. Pag tumatak yan sa utak mo, you will feel bad, make bad decisions. Do this over and over a period of time, magiging belief system siya. Paniniwalaan mo siya. Magiging identity mo siya. Kaya hindi maganda yung nagiging resulta. And a lot of people will also do this, no? From the mind, i-reject nila yung heart. Ibablock nila to. So from the mind, ito yung gagawin. Pilitin natin gawin. Yes, it will work initially. But this will eventually lead to burnout, a life with no meaning, no purpose, na para kang robot. So pwedeng makuha mo yung goals mo, pero tandaan mo, babagsak at babagsak yan. Mawawala at mawawala sa'yo yan if you will continue to reject your heart. If you will continue being misaligned. Dapat talaga may alignment. Because emotion is energy in motion.